Hey, welcome back to the Tom Ferry Show. I've got 3 actions I want you to take between now and the end of the year because I desperately want you to finish the year strong and I want you to start 2021 on fire. That's what I want. And it's not just work. I also want you to have fun. Enjoy the holidays. I want you to get the whole enchilada. Really, it's the Tom Ferry Show, I should say, banana. So here's what I want you to do. The very first thing, the thing that I'm pressing with everyone right now is I want you to declare in writing. Okay, it's December 31st, 2020. How many closings am I going to have? At the end of the year, when it's all said and done, how many closings? What was my volume? What was my gross commission income? And how much money do I plan to save between now and the end of the year for the total this year? So I'm literally saying, I know right now I've got this many actives, I've got a couple pending sales, I got a few buyers ready to go, I got one listing about to launch. How am I going to finish this year? How's it all going to end for me? Then, in writing, the second part I want to know, how many active listings are you carrying into the new year? How many active listings are you carrying in? How many pendings? How much volume is that going to be? And how much gross commission income are you going to start the year with? The number of agents I know that get so fixated on close out the year, close out the year, close out the year, get it all to close, and then they take their foot off the gas, and then guess what happens? They go into the new year with a clean slate, nothing. You don't want to do that. So I want to know how many actives do you want to start the year with, pending volume, GCI, but I also want to know, think about this, how many people you'll talk to in November, in December, they're like, yeah, I do want to sell, but I'm going to wait until next year. And you can make the decision right there in the moment, and I'm going to encourage you to do so, to say, why don't you invite me over? Let's spend some time. Do a research phase buyer consultation, a research phase seller conversation, right? To get them ready to go so you know you're starting the new year with 5 listings, whether it's middle of January, February, it doesn't make a difference. It's creating this really powerful, enticing future for you to live into. Same thing on the buy side. So that's number 1. It's got to be in writing. If you really want to crush it, it's on your bathroom mirror so you see it every day. Check, check, check. I did it. Because you know that accountability mirror, good old David Goggins, that's going to keep you going. Promise me you'll do that one, number 1. Number 2, how many days off are you going to take between now and the end of the year? Tom, you just told me to work my face off. No, I didn't. I said, what are you committed to? You have to decide. Like, I'm literally moving between now and the end of the year. We got Thanksgiving, we got Christmas, we got my mother-in-law, we got family coming in town. I'm gonna have some date nights. I'm scheduling pickleball. How many times I'm gonna play golf? Yes, I'm actually carving out all of the other areas of my life, and it's all documented in my schedule. So guess what? Then I can say, okay, work when I gotta work. And I'm gonna really work hard between now and the end of the year. And I'm gonna play a golf tournament with my dad. And I'm gonna have some shopping days with my wife, whatever that's gonna look like in 2020, but you know what I'm saying. And I'm gonna make a move. Everything is in my schedule. I challenge you to do the same. Don't finish the year hoping and praying that you have greater connection with your spouse, more time with your kids, seeing your friends on Zoom or face-to-face, whatever is safe. Get it in your calendar. Get it in your schedule. Remember, if it's not in your schedule, if it's not in your calendar, it doesn't exist, and it just simply doesn't get done. So I'm challenging you. First, declare what you want. Tell me about your business. What are the end results? And then what are you going to carry into next year? And then how many opportunities in the bottom of the funnel are going to be ready to go for you to start? Secondly, I want to know how much time off you're going to schedule, and therefore know what your time on is as well. And then the last thing, easy Tom Ferry Show today, is I want you to put together a Q4 marketing plan. I want you to think through, okay, it's the end of the year. What am I going to do for my past clients? What am I going to do for my referral partners? Am I sending a gift? Am I not sending a gift? Maybe it's chocolate. Maybe it's wine. Maybe I'm going to make a donation on their behalf and send that out to them. Maybe I'm sending them all Amazon gift cards. I don't know, but I know this. If you do something for them, you stay top of mind, and it's a great way just to say, I appreciate you, right? So think about that. What are you going to do for your past clients? What are you going to do for every agent or person that sent you a referral? Then I wrote down, what are you going to do for your whole database? What are you going to do for your maybe you throw a virtual holiday party, right? And you send, I don't know, your 20 best clients a bottle of champagne and you put them all together on a virtual thing and you make introductions, right? It's the new rules, the new game. This is how it is. But I want you to go into it with a plan, right? What will you do for your past clients? What will you do for your sphere? What will you do for your referral partners? What will you do for your lender, your title rep, your escrow officer, your closing attorney, all the people that, the men and women, the transaction coordinators that helped you get this year done with all the insanity we experienced? How will you say thank you? That's what I want as one part of your plan. The second part of your plan is I want you to start thinking through, what are the emails I'm going to be sending? What's the video I need to shoot? Or maybe around, Canadian Thanksgiving in October, or US Thanksgiving, right, in November, or Happy Hanukkah, Merry Christmas, whatever you do, happy whatever holidays. The point is this: I want to get it all up and visual and ideally into my calendar so I know, hey, it's Tuesday, October 24th. I don't know if that's actually Tuesday, but I need to shoot this and produce that. I promise you this, my friends. If you're feeling the same way my clients are feeling right now, everybody, it's like the tale of the two. It's the crazy successful, so busy, they don't even know what to do with themselves, and I just get them to stop and breathe and decide how we want to finish the year, and they go, got it. And then I say, how do you want to start the year? And they go, oh yeah. And then I say, okay, how much time off are we going to get? Let's go through your calendar, and I'll like screen share. Show me your calendar. Okay, you need time off here, time off here, time off here, time off here, right? And all of a sudden now they're like, okay, I'm getting a little break that I need, and I know real estate's 24/7. You know it, I know it. But they're feeling that emotional break that they need. And then lastly, let's make sure you take care of the people that took care of you, the ones that send you referrals, that have done transactions, even if they were difficult, even if they fell apart, right? Sending something as a thank you is a good idea. And then what's your farm going to get? What's your newsletter going to get? What emails are you going to send out? What videos are you going to shoot? Getting it all on a plan and getting to work. Because guess what? Tick-tock, tick-tock. As of right now, if you're watching this on Tuesday, we only have 79 days left, and it's going to go by that fast. Let's you and me, let's do it by design, not by default. Thanks so much for watching. Quick show. Can't wait to see your comments. Share this with a friend if it really resonated. Maybe share it with your office, because if we all get better, we all get better. See you soon.